Now the CP5 Ultra shows you the display of your phone, and that also means you can use your main camera and you can see what your phone is seeing. Hi friends, Dirk here, and in today's video we're looking at the Shimbol CP5 Ultra. That is a monitor that mirrors your screen. So theoretically we should be able to see everything that our iPhone displays on the main screen, and that would mean we could actually use the rear camera as our main camera, and that would be really great for creators. So let's check it out, see how and if it works. In the box we get a screen protector, paperwork, a USB to USB-C cable, a magnetic ring that has 3M tape on the other side, and of course our monitor. On the right side we have only 4 buttons: power and brightness, zoom, volume, mirror and rotate, and the shooting button. On the bottom is our USB-C port. Right next to it is a little reset port and also a battery indicator, and on the left side the speaker. To connect it to the phone, just press and hold the power button for 2 seconds. On the phone, go into settings and pair Bluetooth. And after that, swipe down from the top right and tap on Screen Mirroring. Tap on Show More and then on the CP5 Ultra. And that's it. Now the CP5 Ultra shows you the display of your phone, and that also means you can use your main camera and you can see what your phone is seeing. And here we go. To get it started was pretty easy, but what I really like as a creator is that it doesn't require any cables and it connects wirelessly to my phone. That gives me the freedom to move around, and the best part, I can even start the recording with the press of a button. Oh, I'm out of frame. But now I can see it, and that's so fantastic. Now we can use the main camera. It has so much better quality, and we have the freedom to move around without the need of running around or having a second person to operate this phone. If you want to change any settings, if you want to change modi, well, then you have to go back to your phone and use the touchscreen. With the press of this button, I can start and stop the recording, which is also fantastic, and that goes for photo as well as for video. There are quite a few disadvantages on using the front-facing selfie cam. Well, first of all, the image quality. But to show you the real difference between the front and the rear camera, let's take a look at the chart. The details we can capture with the rear camera and the overall image quality are so much better. And the difference is even more significant when we're looking at the corner image quality. While the corners of the selfie cam look like a wild mush, we can see crisp and clear details coming from the rear camera. On the iPhone 17 Pro Max, there's a 20mm wide-angle lens built in as a selfie cam. And wide-angle lenses have the tendency to distort the image much more than regular lenses. On the rear camera, we have a 24mm, which keeps things more proportionate. So the closer you get, the more distorted everything is becoming. Using the Blackmagic camera app, you can see the full screen here on the Shimbol CP5. Now let's see if we can start and stop the recording with that. And yes, we can. Although I was able to start or stop recording with third-party camera apps like Final Cut Camera and Blackmagic Cam, what I didn't know at the time was that audio and video of third-party camera apps were no longer synchronized or aligned. So the camera, and here I am, and it works. In conclusion, it is only for creators who are using their phone's built-in camera apps. It is not working well with third-party camera apps. Another cool thing of the CP5 Ultra is it comes with MagSafe, and that allows you to just put it on the back of your phone. Yes, because of the size, it's sticking out a little bit. Now you can see yourself using the main camera, and you can start, stop filming or take pictures from here. So this gives you a lot of creative freedom, and it allows you to use the better camera, and I really like it a lot. The fact that you don't need cables and it's just really snapping on the back of your phone, even with a case, is really great. It is so cool that it works. So to conclude this video, first when I saw this, I thought, it might be a little bit too big. But you know what? It's so practical. It's so easy to use. And it gives me the creative freedom to move around my camera, to even walk away from my camera, or to start recording and just walk towards the camera. This is great for a creator who's on their own, using the phone as their primary camera, and now has the option and opportunity to use the best cameras with the better quality to up their game. Very happy with that, highly recommend it.